Hello, guys. Welcome back to English Talk. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ali. We're so glad you're here today because this topic, this one is going to hit home for a lot of English learners.
Yes, today we're talking about something many students secretly worry about but don't always say out loud. The topic is why your English sounds robotic and unnatural, and the secrets to speak real English.
That word robotic sounds harsh, but if you've ever felt like your English is correct, yet something feels off, this episode is for you.
Maybe your grammar is good, maybe your vocabulary is strong, but when you speak, it sounds memorized, mechanical, like you're reading from an invisible script.
And here's the truth, it's not because you're bad at English, it's because nobody taught you how to sound human in English.
Exactly. Real English is not just about correct sentences. It's about rhythm, emotion, connection, and natural flow.
So today we're breaking it down step by step. Why does English sound robotic, and how can you fix it immediately?
Let's start with the first big reason. You're speaking from memory, not from meaning.
That's powerful. Many learners memorize full sentences like, in my opinion, this phenomenon has several advantages and disadvantages.
Grammatically perfect, emotionally empty.
Exactly. When you memorize sentences, your brain focuses on remembering the structure instead of expressing your idea. That's why your tone becomes flat.
The fix: speak from ideas, not from scripts. Instead of memorizing full answers, learn flexible phrases and adapt them naturally.
For example, instead of memorizing a long, formal sentence, just say, I think there are a few pros and cons. It sounds lighter, more natural.
The second reason your English sounds robotic is lack of contractions.
Oh yes, this is a huge one. Many learners say, I am going to go, instead of, I'm going to go.
Or, I do not understand, instead of, I don't understand.
Native speakers use contractions constantly in everyday conversation. Without them, your speech sounds formal and stiff.
So start using contractions naturally. I'm, you're, we're, there. Don't, can't, won't, didn't.
It immediately makes your English softer and more natural.
Third reason, your rhythm is too even.
Real English has music. Some words are stressed, some are reduced, some are almost swallowed.
For example, native speakers don't say, what are you going to do, clearly word by word. They say, what you gonna do?
Now, we're not saying you need to copy slang, but you should understand that connected speech exists.
Practice linking words. Want to becomes wanna. Going to becomes gonna. Let me becomes lemme.
Even if you don't use all reductions, being aware of them improves your rhythm.
Another reason is overusing formal vocabulary in casual conversations.
Yes, if your friend asks how your day was and you respond with, it was rather exhausting due to numerous occupational responsibilities, it sounds unnatural.
Just say, it was pretty tiring. I had a lot of work.
Real English is often simple. Robotic English is often overcomplicated.
Let's talk about emotion. Robots don't show emotion. Humans do.
If your voice stays on the same level all the time, people feel distance.
Try adding natural reactions. Really? No way. That's amazing. Seriously?
Those small reactions make conversations alive.
Another secret to sounding real is using fillers correctly.
Wait, didn't we say fillers can be bad?
Too many fillers are bad, but natural fillers like you know, I mean, or kinda, when used lightly, make speech sound human.
Exactly. Completely removing all fillers can actually make you sound too perfect, almost unnatural.
The key is balance. Another big reason for robotic English is fear.
Yes, when you're afraid of making mistakes, your body becomes tense, your tone becomes careful, and careful speech sounds unnatural.
Real conversations are messy. People correct themselves, they change direction, they laugh.
Give yourself permission to be imperfect. That's how real English feels.
Let's also talk about speed. Some learners speak too slowly because they're translating in their head.
And some others speak too fast because they memorized the sentence and want to finish it quickly.
Natural speech has variation, slow for important ideas, faster for simple parts.
Here's a powerful exercise. Record yourself answering a simple question like, what did you do today?
Then listen. Do you sound like you're reading or like you're talking to a friend?
If it sounds like reading, try again, but this time imagine a real person in front of you. Smile while speaking. It changes your tone instantly.
Another secret is storytelling. Robots give information. Humans tell stories.
Instead of saying I like traveling, say last year I went to a small beach town and it completely changed how I see travel.
Connection creates natural flow. Let's also address something important. Watching too many grammar videos without real conversation practice can increase robotic speech.
Because you're training accuracy but not spontaneity.
Balance input with output. Listen to natural podcasts. Shadow native speakers. Repeat with emotion.
Shadowing is powerful. Play a short clip and repeat it with the same tone and rhythm, not just the words, the feeling.
Over time, your brain absorbs natural patterns.
And finally, remember this: real English is about connection, not perfection.
If your goal is to sound flawless, you'll sound stiff. If your goal is to connect, you'll sound alive.
So from today, stop trying to sound like a textbook. Start sounding like a person.
Use contractions, simplify vocabulary, add emotion, vary your tone, tell stories.
And most importantly, relax. English is a language, not a performance.
The moment you stop performing and start communicating, your English transforms.
And that's when people stop hearing a learner and start hearing you.
We truly believe you can make this shift. It's not about learning hundreds of new words, it's about adjusting how you use the words you already know.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to sound human.
Because real English isn't robotic, it's expressive, it's imperfect, it's alive.
And once you unlock that, your confidence will grow naturally.
Thanks for spending this time with us today.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Talk. Until then, keep speaking real English.